Here we go. Hold on. We're coming up to something. Let's see. I'm just gonna drop it down. It doesn't look like it just looks like a couple of them down there. Yep, there he is. All right, guys, good morning. It's Friday morning. Back out on the home pond, also known as Disneyland. We're back out here trying to see what this bite's all about. I'm fishing deep, 50 feet, water temp 78. They're schooling up, but they're suspended. They're sitting right around the 30-foot mark. Actually, I should say 10 to 30-foot mark. They're shad all over the place, all right here. It is a little bit windy today. I am doing something that I refuse to throw, which is the drop shot. I'm throwing this little swim bait because that's kind of what they're chasing. I have a long leader. We're gonna see, we can adjust that leader as we go, as we try to figure them out. So let's get on them. Let's see. I always try to change it up when I come out here. I don't always want to throw the same thing because then it gets kind of boring. Keep catching them. So always change it up. Keep your technique good so you don't start forgetting on how to throw a certain technique. Drop shot, I don't ever really throw. If you fish with me, and anyone that knows me knows that I hate the drop shot. I usually only fish it in the winter time. But for some reason this morning, I told myself I'm gonna throw the drop shot. Winter time's coming pretty quick. The cool nights have already started. Days have been about 90 to 100. So we'll see if we can pull anything on this drop shot. At least get my technique ready for winter. Gotta love that winter fishing. It separates the men from the women, I'll tell you that much. There's one jumping right there. I know if I throw what I've been throwing, which is an underspin, little 2.8 Kitech, I can catch those ones. But I want to see what's down below on the bottom. See if we can get a bigger bite. It says about 8-mile-an-hour winds today, which isn't too bad. Might get them fired up. We'll see. I haven't caught a drop shot fish since probably last December, somewhere around there. I usually only fish it November and December, and a little bit of January. Late January I started getting out of it, and that's when the weather starts getting a little bit warmer out here. If I don't get anything on this drop shot, then I'm gonna have to switch it up to something else. They are schooling up though. There's shad all over me, all around me right now. I got 8-pound braid to 6-pound leader, size 1 hook. I think I'm throwing a half-ounce cylinder weight, which I like those. It's kind of what you prefer. got a Powell Inferno drop shot rod. This is a 610 with the Daiwa Tatula 3000 series. I love this reel. I usually have those reels on my spinning rods. They work really well. The drag system on it is awesome. I'm gonna try dragging it and see. I love this time of year because football season starts. You got duck hunting that starts. Water temp gets cooler. Outside temp gets cooler. Nobody touches the lake. Nobody wants to come out. There's days you'll be the only one out here. I love it. I think today there's only, I don't know, when I pulled up, I got here, I don't know, probably about 9 o'clock. And there was only 3 boats. I'm the 4th boat. Not bad. I can do that. I can handle that. I felt like I had a hit. There's one. Oh, he hit it. So right now, these bass, they're feeding up on all these shad, getting ready for the fall and winter. So they got some bellies on them right now. Oh wait, I think I got one. He is on there. I thought I felt him. He's gonna try to jump. You gotta have a good drag system when you're running this 6-pound line. Nothing big, but he definitely wanted it. I'll tell you that much. Yep, he definitely wanted it. Little guy, but hey, still fun, right? Let's go. Let's get him. Yeah, it was so small, didn't even feel him. I got a pretty big school in front of me right here. We're gonna see what's going on right here. You're either gonna hit it or they're not. They're either gonna hit it or they're not. There he is. I read that one right off the graph. Right off of it. I called it. There was a school. And I said they're either gonna hit it or they're not. And what do you know? He hit it. He's a little fighter. He's got some fight in him. That's for sure. We got another school to the right of me. If I can get this guy unhooked. Another little one. But hey, still fun. Let's see. Like I said, you find these schools right now, if you have the right size bait, I mean, you can sit there and throw big baits, but the chances of them hitting it are very slim. You might get one, but right now, with the water temp and everything that's going on with the shad schooling up in big balls, it's probably better off to downsize and match the hatch. I got them boiling to the right of me. Yeah, I see you guys, but I'm not going after you. And I kind of avoid those ones that are boiling. Reason why? You can catch them if you know how to catch them. You got to kind of land it right on top of them and make some noise. Like, you have to have a splash on the water to get their reaction. Basically, so they see your bait. I mean, I like fishing like that too. It's fun. You can catch them. You can spend hours on them, or you can just go drop right below them and catch the ones that are on the bottom, just sitting there, picking up all these dead shad that are falling down from the ones that are blowing up. Look, I don't know if you can see them, but they're boiling right here, over there, right there, all over, right here. Let's see. There might be 2 or 3 schools right here. That's what it kind of looks like. Oh. One hit it. Basically let it drop to the bottom. It's on the bottom, line stopped. I'm just gonna work it back. I'm shaking it and also dragging it back to me at the same time. These fish are very active right now, so they want movement. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, I got one. That guy boiled right, he jumped up right there chasing a shad. I just threw it out there and he hit it. Massive school in front of me. Oh no, I lost my plastic. That's not good. So what I'm throwing these Megabass, these little 3-inch swim baits. And they've actually, this is the first, I mean, I used them the other day. But before that, I bought them last year, never threw them. And then today, or last week, I started throwing them. I wasn't throwing them on a drop shot. I was throwing them on a 1/4 ounce underspin. And I was having a lot of success on it. So today I said, you know what? Let me throw these on a drop shot. I mean, look at these things. That's exactly what they're feeding on. What is that, three fish? And try to get a limit. Keep this video going. If I get a limit on 5, we'll have a uncut raw video. Try to cut it down to 30 minutes at least. If I can grab 2 more. If I grab 2 more, we'll end the video there. I'll probably continue just fishing, but I'll probably move spots. I don't want to sit here and pound these fish. Oh, that guy came when I was swimming right now. Wow. Right now. I just seen him. I was reeling it back to the boat. Let's see if I can get him again. As I was swimming it, he was coming up to it. There's the school out there. It's pretty much video game fishing is what I'm doing. I see them on the graph and I'm just casting right out there. Right now they're right below me, so. Oh, there's one. Right below me. And look it, hooked up. Hooked up, right below me. Oh, this is a nicer one. Look at their bellies. They're definitely feeding up. Hooked right on the top of the lip. Man, my fingers are too big for these little hooks. There we go. I think that's number 4, 3 or 4. So they're right below me again. Whoa, almost tripped. My pole's all tangled up. They're right below me. I don't think I lined up with them. I kind of went to the side. So let's try it. There we go. We should be able to get something right here. I'm dropping right on them. I don't know if you can see my graph, but look at that right there. Line's tight. I don't see them there no more. Looks like they might have moved. They might have went to the left of me. Let's see. I'm just gonna go to the right, see what's to the right. Let me fix this little guy. Yeah, looks fun. I see nothing over there. Let's check over here. Let's see if we can find that school real quick. Here's the shad. I don't know if you can see them. All in the water. Right there. And also on my graph, that's all shad right there. These are bass. You can see them arches. Those are all bass right there. Bass, 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 shad. Something came up through them. You can see that line right there. I'm just gonna cast out here. Let's see. I don't know where they went. They move quick, I'll tell you that much. There's one. Man, they're really loving this today. I'll tell you that much. They are really loving this. Come here, guy. Come here, 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 little guy. Oh. Get up here. This guy doesn't want to come in. I mean, who would, right? There we go. There he is. Little chunker. Let's cast back out. That's number 5. That school's out there. See if I can catch one more, get it on film, and then we'll go ahead and end it from there. That's a nice cast. That might be a fish. So I think what's happening is they're schooling up right here, and I think my drop shot is just dropping down and they're hitting it on the drop, is what I think. So I'm marking some fish under me. Let's see. There's fish directly under me. Oh, one came chasing it. Well, that's a messed up cast. There we go. Got all tangled up on the front. What happened? Again? that's not good. I definitely missed that. Let's see if they're still there. They move quick. They're still there. They're still underneath me. Let's see. See if we can pick one off real quick. Nope. Let's cast out a little further and see. I usually let it fall straight down, but right now I'm just letting it kind of drop into the school. The school's sitting right out here. Well, one of the schools. There's multiple schools right here. I think they moved again. I'm not showing them under me. I got all the shad right here. Yep, they're sitting right here. They're sitting right there still. But this is definitely a smaller school. We're gonna see right now. Get that bait moving. There's one. Right under me, told ya. I seen him. Oh, this guy's pulling. Ooh, yeah. Oh, this is probably the biggest one of the day. Well, not of the day because we haven't been out here that long. That's a nice solid one right there. Get a few of these. That'd be nice. That's a nice one. Thanks for playing. And how'd this happen? All right, there we go. That school was sitting right under me. Let's see if they're still there. This is actually fun. Video game fishing. That's what we call it. And get that bait moving. Oh, I think they moved again. That's how active they are. You catch one fish, they move. Then you gotta go find them again. Let me see where they pulled off to, see if I can pick them up again. Well, can't catch nothing with nothing on it. Guys, if you're wondering why I have a bobber stop right there, it's because I don't want to lose it. So I just leave it on there. I don't feel that it messes up the drop shot movement in any type of way. I just moved it straight down, closest to the hook. Let's see, they're boiling right here. Let's see if I can get this guy. Nope, he hit it. And let me find that school again. So I got the shad that I'm sitting on that are all in front of me. And that school of bass should be sitting out here also. Somewhere. Yep, they definitely moved. Let's move up here. Got a big drop off right here. There's a couple that are suspended. I want the school. I'm looking for that school. All right, water break. It's actually a nice day, nice morning. All right. I'm gonna look for these. I think I'm gonna end this video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna end this video right here. We've only been on the water, I wanna say at the most 45 minutes. I'm not quite sure exactly, but we showed up probably about 9 o'clock. I think we got on the water. I'm not even sure what time it is right now. Let's see. It's 9:40. So not bad. Not bad. I think we got 7 or 8 fish. So in 40 minutes, that's pretty good. I'm gonna continue to fish. I'm gonna end the video there. I'm gonna move spots. I don't want to sit here and bang on pressure, put pressure on these fish, and I don't want to sit here and put all this pressure on these fish. Well, I'll leave them here, come back another day. but I'm gonna change locations. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, hit that thumbs up, share these videos. Appreciate all you guys for watching. Thanks, and stay tuned. Also, if you're into tiny boats and you want to join a tiny boat tournament, we have our California Slay Nation Tournament Trail 2022 starting up next season. You can start signing up for the membership. I'll have it up on the website, SlayNationTournamentFishing.com. Any questions, you can send me an email or follow me on Instagram, JMB Fishing. Let me know if you're interested. I'll give you all the information. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, guys.